Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to activate Webull Futures account step by step. Open the Webull app and tap Account, then choose Apply for Futures and follow prompts to start the process. Complete identity verification by uploading your ID, provide employment and income details, and answer experience questions honestly. Sign the futures agreement, review margin requirements, and submit your application for review. Gather your documents before starting so the process is smooth and quick. Log into the app, navigate to the futures application, and upload a clear photo of your government ID. Attach recent bank or brokerage statements if asked to verify funding sources, and enter employment and income information accurately. Honest answers about experience and net worth speed approval, and reduce follow-up requests from the broker. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. The product you saw is a comfy sock pick, darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long trading days or cold market nights. Check the description for the link and current deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Start the application by choosing the futures product you want and read every agreement carefully before accepting terms. Fill out the trading experience questionnaire truthfully, including number of trades and years of futures exposure, to match risk profile expectations. Fund your account to meet the initial margin or minimum balance, confirm you understand maintenance margin calls, and submit the application for review to await approval notification via email or in-app messages.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.